So this has allowed us to increase the value of this property, and that's with the grace of investors like yourself who put their money in this project. This project is working hard for them. That dormer would represent the largest room in this property and will also rent the highest. And I'll show you what that dormer looks like by the time we get there. If you've not been following me, I buy properties, renovate them, make them profitable assets for professionals like yourself. This property was a rundown single family home, which we're turning into a 6-bed all-en-suite property, which will bring in net income for our investors and as well as provide sustainable housing for professionals. Let me show you what we've been doing in the last 3 weeks, where we've been doing the first fix electrics, first fix plumbing, and we're going through correspondence with the services, i.e. cadent gas, to move the gas meter from the internal wall of the property to the external wall. Let's see what happens inside. So this is that room you saw from the rear of the property. This is where we've created the dormer. We've created the dormer to the rear of the property because we are looking to add as much value as possible to this property. And one way to do that is to add volume, to add floor space. Hence, we've added this dormer. You could see the first fix electrics, it's going on. Insulation has happened. First fix plumbing has happened. We've got the stud walls for the ensuite facility behind me here, and on the other side of the room we'll be having the kitchenettes. We had to drop the floors for this property to accommodate head height for this dormer because we had the loft which was less than 2.1 meters, so we had to drop it so we could achieve head height and not make this place claustrophobic. We also had issues with the party wall. The party walls are single skin, hence we didn't want to lay the ridge beam on the party walls. We got our structural engineers to do the structural design. We have the posts. The posts is supporting the ridge beam, and you have masonry walls on the ground floor and on the first floor as well that these steels are on, also providing some structural support to this dormer. This is the largest room in the property. This will also fetch the highest rents, and this property is designed for working professionals. If this interests you in any way, you want to do this, you want to put your money to work, please get across and we could have a chat on how this actually pans out. Please do subscribe, do like, and do follow me for more videos, and I'll get to show you how we progress in the next week or two and how we eventually end up with the second fix finishes and end up with a finished product. Thank you.